'Twas the night before Kwanzaa, and we could barely sleep, filled with such emotion of this tradition we yearly keep. The national black liberation flag was draped across the wall, and a poster of the seven principles was hung in the hall. The mat was set on the table, and on it we placed a bowl filled with fruits and vegetables, reflecting the harvest of the toll. The seven candles are placed in the candle holder, the seven principles to represent. One black, three red, and three green, lighting each one marks an event. The black candle goes in the center and is the first one to be lit. Proudly it symbolizes unity, for we are nothing without it. Then three red ones are placed next, to the left of the black, to represent Nia, Kumba, and Imani, because we start Kwanzaa with that. The green candles were placed to the right, representing Kujichagulia, Ujima, and Ujama's might. Put all of these together, and it just seems right. Surrounded by African sculptors and books from the motherland, we couldn't help but reflect, and we held each other's hand. We placed 3 ears of corn, 2 for our girls and 1 for the boy. Then, with the placing of the Kikumbi cha Umoja, it was time to shout for joy. Harambe, Harambe.
Hello, this is Carol B. Brown Jones, and this is Tuesday. And I want to let you know that today, Tuesday, December 23rd, I'm talking about Kwanzaa, what Kwanzaa is, the importance of Kwanzaa, and why we need Kwanzaa, and not just for 1 week a year. So join me today, 6 p.m. Pacific Time on Zoom. You'll find the link to register for this and this in the information from this video. See you tonight. Bring your stories about unity, love, and how your family practices Kwanzaa or some other cultural activity that brings the family together in love. See you tonight.